Hey there, how's it going?
Hi, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Can't complain. Listen, I have something that belongs to you.
Oh, really? What is it?
A courier dropped off a parcel for you at my place earlier.
A parcel for me? Fantastic. I've been expecting that.
The delivery person mentioned you weren't home.
Yeah, I was at the office all day.
No worries at all. I was happy to hold on to it for you.
Is it a large box?
Yeah, it's a pretty big one.
Then that's definitely it. It feels a bit heavy. Thank you so much for bringing it over.
My pleasure. So, what's inside, if you don't mind me asking?
Just some new running shoes I ordered.
Oh, nice. Are you a regular runner?
I do my best to go every morning. Here, let me take that from you.
Sure, be careful with it.
Thanks. Did you have to sign for it?
Yes, I put my signature on their digital pad.
Wonderful. That's really kind of you.
Happy to help. That's what neighbors are for, right?
Absolutely. If there's anything I can ever do for you, just let me know.
Thank you, I will.
All right. Have a great evening.
You too. Hope you enjoy the new shoes.
Thanks again. Bye.